ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our tour. My name is Johanna, and I'll be your tour guide for today. On behalf of our team, I'd like to thank you for joining us. Today, we are going to explore Bayadom Geopark, wonderful destination filled with culture, history, and natural beauty. And today I will tell you about culture side of Bayadom. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy our trip together. And for the first, I tell you about culture site. Introduction. Culture site is a term that refers to a location or place that holds important cultural value for a particular region. Culture sites are usually part of cultural tourism development, cultural heritage preservation, or community education. In simple terms, culture site is in Indonesia situs budaya. Well, ladies and gentlemen, today I will tell you three famous cultural sites of Bayadom. For the first, Baduy people. Second, Lebak Cibeduk, and last, Kesepuhan Citorek. For the first, Baduy people. What is the Baduy tribe? The Baduy tribe is an indigenous community in Indonesia that practice a traditional way of life, upholding ancient custom, simple living, and strict cultural rules passed down through generation. Who are the members of the Baduy tribe and how are the group? The Baduy people are divided into two many groups. Inner Baduy or in Indonesia Baduy Dalam, who strictly follow traditional custom, and other Baduy in Indonesia Baduy Luar, who are slightly more open to outside influence. And where do the Baduy people live? The Baduy live in Kanekes village located in Lui Damar district, Lebak Regency, Banten province, Indonesia. Their settlements are surrounded by forests and hills. And where are the major Baduy traditional ceremonies held? One of the most important ceremony, Seba Baduy, is held once a year, usually around April to May, while the sacred Kawalu ceremony is held for 3 months, usually between February and April, during which visitors are restricted. Why? Why do you, the Baduy people, maintain a traditional lifestyle and avoid modern technology? They believe that preserving their traditional values and avoiding modern technology is essential to maintaining harmony with the nature and fulfilling ancestral teachings that emphasize simplicity, purity, and environmental protection. And last, how do the Baduy people sustain their daily life and preserve their environment? The Baduy people live from farming, especially growing rice without chemical fertilizers. They protect forests, drug strict customary rules about exploiting nature, and practice a community lifestyle. And next, I will tell you about Lebak Cibeduk. This is the picture. What is Lebak Cibeduk? Lebak Cibeduk is a megalithic archaeological site in Banten Province, Indonesia, comprising a step terrace pyramid structure built of stone, menhirs, dolmen, and alders. And the original building and user of the site are unknown. It dates from the prehistoric or Mesolithic era and lacks clear document as attribution. Today, is it a visit by tourists and local guide and falls under regional heritage interest. And it is located in Dusun or Hamlet, Lebak Cibeduk, Desa Citorek Barat, Kecamatan Cibeber, Kabupaten Lebak, Province of Banten, on the island of Java, Indonesia. And the exact date of construction in Ancolor, but it belonged to the Neolithic era. Visitors commonly go there now. Reaching the site requires some trekking. And why is Lebak Cibeduk significant? It is significant because it refers ancient culture, practice, art culture, and megalithic traditional in Indonesia. The stepstone terrace design in rare and ties into regions practice heritage in over insight into early human settlement and ritual landscape in Japan. And how can on access and explore Labak Cibeduk? Visitors typically reach Citoro Village first by bicycle, then walk or ride motorbike or trail to the site about 2 until 3 hours of trekking from the village. The terrain includes stone stairs, forest, forest paths, and some suspension bridge access. And last, Kesepuhan Citorek. What is the Kesepuhan Citorek community? The Kesepuhan Citorek is an indigenous Sundanese community located in the Citorek area of Lebak Regency, Banten, Province Indonesia, which preserve strong customary tradition in agriculture, forest, stewardship, and social organization. Who are the key actors or structure within Kesepuhan Citorek society? The society is governed by a customary institution or baris kolot, including rules such as the oek or sip, jaro bengkong, paraji, kokolot lembur, and all these positions are typical. Herdianti often tricks the male line and central to maintaining adult custom. And where is Kesepuhan Citorek located? Is it situated in the mountainous and forest region of Citorek, covering multiple villages? And agricultural rituals accompany the rice cultivation cycle and planting, harvesting, Thanksgiving ceremonies such as Seren Town. And why does Kesepuhan Citorek maintain strong adherence to traditional practice? The community believes that our customs or adat and traditional agriculture forest practice. How do you carry out their traditional agriculture and forest stewardship? They practice rice cultivation without chemical fertilizers, use traditional tools. And next, in conclusion, the Kesepuhan Citorek community represent a valuable cultural heritage that teaches us about the importance of preserving tradition, respecting nature, and maintaining harmonious living. May this information inspire you to practice and protect Indonesia culture diversity for future generation. Thank you for your attention and interest in the learning about Kesepuhan Citorek. I truly appreciate your time and I hope this knowledge will be useful and meaningful for all of us. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we've now come to the end of our tour. I truly hope you enjoy your visit to Badak Bayah Dome and learn something new today. On behalf of our team, I'd like to thank you for your attention and participation. Have a pleasant day, and we hope to see you again in another day. Thank you. Goodbye.